ओके सो ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, अब मैंने अपने बालों को इतना ज़्यादा वैसे भी छेड़ दिया है, तो एनी विच वे अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा अपने बालों को ऐसे टच करने वाले हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे छेड़ने वाले हैं, तो द कर्ल्स और द वेव्स आर गोना ओपन अप. And if you have a setting spray, you can use that as well, but I do not have it, and I'll just Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to style your hair using a hair straightener. Let's style our hair to go absolutely nowhere. I just washed my hair and they're still not completely dry. So abhi tak I haven't used any product on my hair. It's just the shampoo and the normal conditioner. और उसके बाद there's nothing on, not even a leave-in cream or leave-in serum, nothing. So we are not gonna do sleek straight hair. Let's see how I style my hair. Okay, first things first, I do feel like my hair are still wet. So there are certain rules before you start straightening your hair, and the first one goes that your hair should not be wet at all. Okay, I don't know where the other attachment has gone. I just have diffuser one और एक और attachment थी, but वो मुझे अभी मिल नहीं रही है कहाँ पे. तो हम ऐसे ही बालों को सुखा लेते हैं. Okay, so without attachment के थोड़ा airflow manage करना it's getting difficult, but just bear with me. से मुझे एक चीज़ और याद आई. There were some people who were commenting on my reel, the YouTube shorts actually, that I do not have maybe that much wavy hair or certain things like that. And there was one comment where she asked me to show my hair without any hair product. So if you are watching this video right now, this is my hair without any leave-in cream, curl cream, hair gel, nothing. I haven't used anything. And if I comb it, अभी भी ये ऐसे puffy लगने से पूरा start हो चुके हैं. But yes, if I comb them, तो और भी ज़्यादा frizz आएगा. वैसे I will need to comb them anyways. I feel like I should do a bit quick because धूप जाने वाली है and I do not want to miss that. Let's do one thing. Let's use heat protectant और इसको जल्दी जल्दी बालों पे सुखाते हैं. Heat protectant से ना अच्छे से we are going to cover our hair. अभी थोड़ा सा और लगा देना चाहिए. Here as well. Now I feel that my hair are completely dry and we are good to go. Let's just turn the straightener on. If you have a straightener with temperature control settings, you are good to go. You have a plus point with that. But मेरे straightener में, the straightener which I bought earlier, it did not have temperature control settings. Section this much here. Okay, section here. Just comb it again. Okay, so now we're gonna take one section first and we're gonna straighten it. We'll just smoothen it out. So we'll start from here. Smoothen it out, twist and roll, 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 coming down, and yes. See how pretty it turned out. We'll do the same with the other sections. Smoothen it like this. Also, do not take too much thin sections because that's just gonna damage your hair. Just moving, gonna roll it, roll, and yes. Okay, so this section is done. Let's go in with this one. First, straighten it. Take care. Just twist and roll and roll. Yes, straighten it. Okay, so I just went and checked in mirror if everything was going right, and we have done it. So we are going to open the rest of our hair. पहले इसको हम कर देते हैं पीछे. The frontal, we'll just leave the frontal part. We'll do it afterwards. This we are going to do afterwards. The rest of the hair will come here sideways. Let's just tie them back. Same thing, sectioning, then straightening. This. Okay. This. Yes. Okay, let me just show you what issue I am facing here. So this is the adapter जहाँ पे मैंने ये लगाया हुआ था, and I'm just putting it in. और ये बहुत easily से निकल जा रहा है. So I don't know. You just have to adjust like this only. Okay, so all these hair are done, and now the frontal part. What I'm gonna do with these frontal section is straighten it out. I'm gonna take it far and upwards like this. Straighten it a bit, smoothen it. Take it far away from my head. Turn it a bit upwards. A bit sideways. So this is what we have styled so far, and I do think that it looks worth it. It is worth it. I'll just finish it off with hair serum. One pump, more than enough. Just gonna do my fingers, gonna run my fingers through my hair like this. Bit here. Bit like this. So this is what we have styled so far. Okay, so let me know if you like this video, and also you can put in some suggestions, and if I like those suggestions, I'll definitely use them. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more.